Alrighty, this is, I'm over here at the Ocala terminal for Swift, and I'm doing the whole ham radio thing. So thought I'd make a video of it, throw one together. Chopped all my hair off while I was at home. My load doesn't pick up till about 11 tonight. It's actually pretty hot out today. But I'll go ahead and flip the camera around and show you what I'm working with. So this is my 12 amp hour Bio-NO, my G90. I'm on 40 meters. Got a little Winbook, netbook. I use it with the web. I also got my logging software on there. Not a bad little laptop. It's my mic. And I know this isn't ideal. It's kind of coiled, but it works. And then over here is where I got my antenna set up. It's the Wolf River coil, taken along Mega. And there it is. It's not a bad setup. It's pretty good. The antenna goes in the bottom. I got my 3 radials running out. I'm not sure if you can see them that well, but they're going out to the different corners. I got it set on 40 meters right now, and it's pretty resonant actually for what it is. I'll go ahead and show you. I'm only a general, so I get a limited portion of the 40 meter band. Right now I have it on the QRP calling frequency. I've been trying to make a contact, and there's some random RFI going on around here, but yeah, it's pretty flat on 40. Go ahead and put this up to fast. We'll move the bandwidth to 5. Yeah, it's a weird spike right there, but gets the job done. Oh, that's because I got my tuner on. That would do it. Let's see. There we go. That's better. And, you know, you can adjust it accordingly, but I got it, you know, right there, pretty much in the middle of the general band. It's a little lower, but it's not too bad. I could probably adjust it a little bit better. But it gets the job done. And of course, you know, you got the extras hiding in their area. Yeah. There was a couple of them talking a few minutes ago. They probably decided they didn't want to play anymore. There's some weird... There's some guy doing Bible verses. Yeah, the band's pretty dead right now. But this is pretty much what I'm working with. So, you know, when I log a contact, I put it on here. And it's actually a tablet with a little attached keyboard. It's not a bad little Windows 10 notebook. It could be better, but yeah, it's pretty much the setup I'm working with, you know. There's some weird RFI around this place. Yeah.
Okay, here's Mike again. Feel free. Go ahead, Mike. You got the airways now. Go ahead, Mike.
Yeah, it's pretty nice. Got my Mountain Dew, got my vape, you know, not a bad setup.
Yeah, go ahead.
So yeah, if anybody has any questions about the Wolf River coil, feel free to ask. It's a pretty nice antenna. It's very easy to set up. It took me maybe 10 minutes and I was able to dial in 40 meters, and I don't even have any markings on it. So, you know, I just kind of did it by look. But it's really nice. It works really well. Pretty satisfied with it. It's a little too big to run as a mobile antenna, but I have heard that there are people who do that. I think they're crazy. I'd have to put a smaller whip on it. But I do have ham sticks for the other bands when I'm in the truck. But it is a pretty cool setup and it works really well. I think it's definitely worth the asking price. And I mean, the whole setup was $173. and that comes with everything but the coax. And you know, it works pretty good. And you know, people have complained about it, said that they had troubles with it, and I don't get how. It's very straightforward, as long as you have an SWR sweeper, which the G90 has one built in. You know, as long as you have that, it's not too hard to set up. So you know, it is kind of a pain when you want to switch bands. You got to get up and walk over and then move the coil, but you know, for $173, that's not bad. It's a heck of a lot cheaper than say a Tar Heel or something is, and it's not as much of a pain to set up as an end fed. So I highly recommend it, and you know, I'd buy another one if I had to. So anyhow, that's it for now. I'll go ahead and end this. You know, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, whatever. Dislike if you want. Doesn't matter to me. 7 3s. This is WE5MAG. Signing off for now. Drive safe, have fun, and enjoy the radio.